Welcome to the office. What's up, dude? Welcome back.
Thank you.
This is visit number 2.
Yes, sir.
How'd you do with your first adjustment?
Good. A little sore, of
Sure.
course. I didn't think it was gonna be that adjustable, but as I walked and I rested a little bit as well with the ice packs, that helped a lot. So
Okay, so mobility is a little bit improved?
yes, yeah,
Okay.
definitely. I feel like my posture is a little more
Okay.
straight.
And
So.
pain-wise?
Pain-wise, yes. Sometimes I do feel like my body's still adjusting, and it tends to have a little cracks
Sure.
when I do movements. But other than that, yeah,
A little less than first visit.
yes.
Okay, anything else different?
I did notice certain positions, moving my leg up on the right. I noticed almost like a sciatica pain, but nothing crazy. It's just really when I'm maybe reaching for something.
All right.
I try to replicate it. It doesn't happen all the time.
Okay, all right, you ready for round 2?
Yes.
Let's do it. Have a seat there. Let's start by running the meter on the back and let's see what we find today. And we went over, your x-rays in detail.
Mm-hmm.
We did C1, T7, and sacrum is where we started. So let's see where we're at today. All right. Head down, please, starting at the base. And your case is you have your sciatica and pain, but more you felt the imbalance, correct?
Mm-hmm.
The imbalance is in the posture. Starting at the base. So what's interesting here, it doesn't stop. It looked like a break, but it's actually higher up now at C2. We're looking for it to come back to 0, and if you stop prematurely, then you miss it. And so the break is actually there, not there today. Very cool. Good lesson for our little gondroids out there.
Mm-hmm.
Scoping tips. T9, 5 points, left side. Mm-hmm. Booyah. I think we're moving up a little higher today, sir. L4, L5. Down low is clear today. Nice. Come back slowly. So we started down here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's the 5.
Mm.
That's 4. Sorry, that one right there.
Yeah.
4. So we talked about a transitional vertebrae, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to be one above that transition now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10. That's 9.
Mm-hmm.
More at 10. More at 9. I feel 10 more.
Yeah, it's a little tighter there.
A little tighter at 10. We got L4, T10, and let's check up top. So we're doing motion palpation. 6, 5, 4, 3. Right there. 1 on the right. Okay, we got a new game plan today. You ready?
Yes.
Let's do C1, the neck first.
Okay.
Then we're going on the knee chest table for 4. We're going to get a nice deep set there.
Okay.
And do 10 over there as well.
All right.
Okay? You ready?
Ready.
Listo. Let's do it. ASR. Soft pinch of the SCM. We want to feed in. And that's the home run. Double clunk. Walk it off once, please. Good job.
That felt good.
You notice, those deep sounds are actually, they're not cracking, they're setting. So it's a hollower, deeper sound. You notice that?
I heard it like deep.
It's deep in there. Let's go face down, brother. Knees back a little bit, please. Knees back a little more. There you go. And we're going to just let that tummy go down. Right there. 4. Drop that belly button down. Knees back a tad bit more. Just a little bit. There you go. Good. 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 That's the home run, baby. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. T10 as a PL. Drop the tummy down. Gotcha. Ah! Perfecto. Come on up slowly, sir. Good job.
Oh, yeah.
That's deep. All right, let's walk it off. Just keep walking. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the one at the...
Turn around.
Yeah.
And let's walk to the corner again, please. Yeah, we got more movement in the dimples now. Good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I definitely feel that from the first time.
Right on. Let's have a seat. Questions and anything I went over or found?
So I see now a little more on the right on my neck. It's just moving up. Is that what it's happening, or?
You mean at the bottom here?
Yeah, like it's...
Yeah, things are shifting around, exactly. So we're peeling the layer of the onion, so to speak. And hopefully we stay up higher now, unless something else shows up. All clear. Claro.
Perfect.
Sweet. You're all set for today. Ears, shoulders, shoulders. Awesome. Stand up for me, please. You did good
Thank you very
today, dude.
much.
You're welcome. Squeeze. Squeeze. Hand is good. Squeeze, not shake. Squeeze. Hands are good. Okay? I see you in a couple of days.
Yes.
All right. Any questions?
Same routine.
Same routine.
Walking and icing, right?
That's it.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Take care.